Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Know About Embedded System. So in today's video we will understand one of the important topic called as Enum, that stands for enumeration data type in C programming. So before starting the video, if you are new here to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and gain the knowledge on embedded system. Let us start the video. Enums. So what do you mean by enum? So enum, as I already told, enum stands for enumeration or enumerated data type we will call. It's why it is used that I'll explain later. So first of all, we will understand what is the definition of this. So enum data types are used to assign integral constant to the names or to the names. You can see here definition what it says. The enums are user-defined data type, and these enums are used to assign names to a set of constant integrals. So what do you mean by this? That means if we have names, let us consider example here. I have weeks like this. I have considered here weekdays, nothing but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and up to Saturday. And for these names, your enums will assign its numbers like this. The Sunday will have a 0, Monday will have 1, and up to Friday, up to Saturday will have 6. Like this, enums are used to assign integral constants to the names. And these integral constants are useful in the programming instead of using names, because when you use the names, it's very difficult to develop the code. Sometimes it will create a confusion in the developing the code. That is why instead of names, we will use integral constants with the help of enums. By default, these enums will create the first element of the enum. By default, it is going to create as 0. Next element it will create as 1. This is a default how the configuration will be done in a enums. So what is enum? Enums are user-defined data types which are used to assign integral constants to the names. Okay, like this. Now let us see one example, coding example. With that, we will try to understand how the enums will work. So I have considered same example which I have shown you. I have created one enum by the name called as Weekday. Here you can see. So very simple enum it is, Weekday. I have considered Sunday to Saturday. By default, enums will allocate Sunday with 0. As I told you already, Sunday with 0, and up to Saturday, it will assign 6 to the Saturday. So this is how we are going to define, or you're going to declare the enums. Now, what I'm doing, I'm just creating enum variable by the name called as today. So Weekday is a enum, and I'm going to define one more variable of type Weekday, the name called as today. So today is a variable, and Weekday is a enum type. So I'll assign today as Thursday. Okay, and I just want to print what is the integral constant for this Thursday. So here you can see I want to print what is the integral constant for this Thursday. So printf, I'm just printing today is a day number %d, and I'm today. So today is Thursday now. So what is the equivalent number for Thursday according to enum definition? So according to enum, Thursday is 4. So it should print as 4, the first point. Second point in the code what I have used, I want to print whether today is a weekday or weekend day. So I just want to print two things here, whether weekend or weekday. So two parts I have split it, and I already told you the enums are useful in the switch case. So in the switch case, instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to use its names. And whenever I'm going to use a name, your compiler will replace the name with its number. So that is why in a real-time programming, especially in the embedded system, lots of functionalities will be there. Those functionalities will be assigned with the names, and each functionality will be assigned with one number. So in that type of applications, the enums are very useful. Okay, now coming back to the program here, today is Thursday. So here you can see line number 19. Line number 19 I have assigned as a Thursday, and in the switch case, I have written on switch case here up to Monday to Friday. I have written, and I'm going to print as a weekday, and only for Saturday and Sunday I'm going to print it as weekday. Very simple program to understand the behavior of enum. I will run the code here and we will check the output how it prints. So today is a day 4. You can see here what it is saying. Today is a day 4 of the week. So what do you mean by today is day 4? Today is day 4 because Thursday is assigned with day 4. This is what it is printing. So Thursday is day 4, and since Thursday is a weekday and it is printing as weekday, right? So that means whenever I use a Thursday, your compiler will understand its equivalent enum value as 4. Similar to that, one more use case I'll take, that is Saturday. Second time when I'm going to run, I'll take it as Saturday. Now let us see how it is going to print. Now you can see the print, it is printing saying that Saturday is having the week number, a day number of the week is 6. Saturday is 6 and it is a weekend. So in this way we can use enums or enumeration data type with the integral constant. In real-time projects also we will use enums. Instead of numbers we will use enum names in the programming. So I hope this video is clear to all. So if you feel the video is an informative video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.